Hello everyone, my name is Stuti and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of CH Edgemakers. I am sure आपने notification video देख लिया होगा. Notification video में we have mentioned everything right from registration कब से start हो रहे हैं. So today is 1st August, registration start हो चुके हैं. तो form filling आज से हम चालू कर सकते हैं. So this is a detailed form filling session which I will be taking you towards. Step by step हम discuss करेंगे. You can pause the video, you can see, you can check. अगर उसी समय video देखते हुए भी कोई problem आ रही है, so you can of course comment, you can write down in the comments below and I am sure, I promise that we shall address your issue after you have seen the video. Alright, so let's go ahead. सबसे पहले NMAT का फॉर्म हम फिल करेंगे from the website mba.com. mba.com पर आप जाएंगे, this is the official site. mba.com पे जाएंगे, you will see this page here, right? Then you will go to register for NMAT. You will click here. Once you click here, we will get a new page where okay, so we have these details. Let's get started. हमारे first name, last name, ये सब mandatory है. We'll have to fill up that. Let me fill the email address. Email addresses में please remember that it has to be an official email ID because वहाँ पर आपके details आ सकती हैं, कुछ notifications आ सकते हैं. You will get the information there on the email ID. So have your official email ID. Also, it has to include your name or the surname, etc. So it has to be like that. So when you fill in the password में ये mandatory है that उसमें एक uppercase होना है. It should be at least 8 characters, एक uppercase and there should be numbers as well. So password आप वैसे ही set कीजिए because that will be your login ID and password so that जब भी आपको preview करना है या फिर आपका profile देखनी है, form देखना है, you'll have to log into those details. ये login details you can write down in your notes in your mobile, you can note down in your notebook. एक बार आप login ID password लिख के किसी को WhatsApp पे send भी कर सकते हैं आपके family member को so that you have the details with you, saved with you. Alright, ये required fields हमने कर दी है, mandatory कर दी है. If you check in this box, which means that you will be getting these information जो business schools के साथ share होगी आपकी information. So कुछ भी notification होता है या कुछ भी business school के बारे में कुछ information होती है, so this data would be shared, right? So they might contact you for checking and or they might contact you for giving some new information about their business school. So ideally आप इसको yes कर सकते हैं, no करेंगे तो भी कोई problem नहीं है, अगर uncheck करें तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. But ideally you can do that so that you are updated with the latest information which B school has. Alright. Then obviously we have to be informed about the latest news, updates, etc. तो ठीक है, इसको भी आप check in कर सकते हैं. Now you are the Gen Z, आपको ये पता होगा that यहाँ पर तो check in करना ही है. I am not a robot, तो account create करने के लिए I have to check in that. Now we will see the whole, we will check the information क्या हमने सही create किया है, right? Once we see the page, once we check the page and then we click on create account. Once you click on create account, you will get this page. यहाँ पर again the mobile number which is in use, जो आप यूज़ करते हैं, जो आप रेगुलरली चेक करते हैं, बिकॉज अगेन नोटिफिकेशन या कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन अगर उन्हें शेयर करनी है तो वो इसी मोबाइल नंबर पर आपकी शेयर होगी. सो पुट इन अ मोबाइल नंबर विच इज़ इन यूज, विच इज़ योर ऑफिशियल मोबाइल नंबर. सो लेट्स क्लिक और टाइप द मोबाइल नंबर. Then the option comes country where you would like to take the test. So when you see that the first option is India, click India here. And then it says, I agree to receive information regarding my submitted application by signing up on this site. We shall check in this. Connect me with graduate business schools. This is on your discretion, right? If you want to check in, you can. If you want to untick it, you can leave it blank. So after doing this, you will click the submit. So after you have filled in your personal information, when you click on create account, then you will get this page जहाँ पर आपके email address पे एक link आएगी and you'll have to verify that link. Once you verify that link, then you'll be moving ahead with the further process. So after you have verified the link on your email ID, you have to re-log in You have your login ID and password with you, which you just created. So re-log in and this page will appear. कहाँ पर re-login करेंगे? आप फिर से NMAT registration mba.com पर जाएंगे और login करेंगे. So login कहाँ से होगा? You'll have this page. यहाँ पर है login here. You will click this and the page will appear like this. यहाँ पर आप आपका email address type करेंगे जो आपने वहाँ पर दिया था. Then you will type your password here and then you will log in. We have already created our account. We have just re-logged in. All right. So now after you log in, after you re-log in, this page is going to appear. The screen is going to appear. Now यहाँ पर very very important. For the last few years ये आपके लिए option था that NMAT exam आप या तो online दे सकते हैं कहीं से भी either from your home or anywhere else, or you could choose it to give it from the test centers. Correct? इस बार ये change है. You will not be allowed to give the exam from home or online anywhere else. It says that NMAT exam will be conducted at test centers only. तो जो 75 centers NMAT ने decide कर रखे हैं उसी में से वो वहीं पर जाकर आपको exams देने होंगे. Alright, so once you have here, these are few of the very very important information which is given here. जैसे जब आप पूरा form fill कर लेंगे तब preview आएगा, preview पे click करना है. Do not worry, don't panic because we will be going step by step in this session. Correct? So once we have done this, scheduling, rescheduling, retake का पूरी dates we have already discussed in the notification. Plus we will have one more video जहाँ पर आपको differences भी बताएंगे. What is rescheduling? When can you reschedule? कौन सा exam आपको पहले देना है? कौन सी date choose कर सकते हैं? Everything will be discussed in one of the videos which we shall be uploading real soon after this. All right. अब हम यहाँ पर आ जाते हैं. So we'll have this page. Now here we will go to register now. When we click on register now, we will have these details which we will have to click. हमारी personal information click हो चुकी है. यहाँ पर हम we already have this. Okay, we'll start from here. We will select gender. So you have to select your gender here. You have to select your date of birth. All right. एज अपने आप यहाँ पर अपीयर हो जाएगी. कैटेगरी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर कैटेगरी प्लीज बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल क्योंकि कैटेगरी के लिए जो भी आप सिलेक्ट करते हैं जनरल का है इट्स ओके. अदरवाइज ऑल दीज कैटेगरीज विल रिक्वायर द सर्टिफिकेट्स टू बी टेकन व्हेन यू गेट द फाइनल एडमिशन इन दी कॉलेजेस. तो अभी के लिए हम जनरल सिलेक्ट करते हैं यहाँ पर. And then it says we have to upload a photograph. All right, एक बार के लिए cancel करते हैं. यहाँ पर nationality आप आपकी nationality select करेंगे. The first one is Indian, so we have selected Indian. Native language, I have my native language as Hindi, so I will select Hindi here. आप भी according to your native language select कर सकते हैं. Then we have an option of uploading your photo. When we have an option of uploading your photo, we will choose the file from here. अच्छा यहाँ पर कुछ information है photograph से related which are very very important. ये इसी format में होना चाहिए. Either it could be in JPG, JPEG or PNG format. All right. और कोई format यहाँ पर accept नहीं करेंगे. आपका recent photograph होना चाहिए. 6 महीने से ज़्यादा old photograph नहीं लगाना है. वो photograph आपकी identification के लिए easy होना चाहिए. So the test conductors who are there in the center should be able to identify your photograph by looking at your identity proof also. All right, the photo should be upright, so you don't have to upload your landscaped or rotated pictures or anything. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter इन सब से photographs लेके यहाँ पर नहीं लगाने हैं. It should be passport size official photo which is very very clearly visible. All right, so now we have uploaded the photograph. यहाँ पर हमारा टाइटल आएगा मिस्टर मिस मिसेस डॉक्टर. यू कैन क्लिक योर टाइटल हियर. ऑलराइट, अब आप एक बार फिर से चेक कर लीजिए. हालांकि प्रीव्यू हम फिर करेंगे बट देन स्टिल जस्ट हैव अ ग्लैंस ओवर इट. हैव वी फिल्ड ऑल द डिटेल्स? यस वी हैव. Next, we move to the other details. Enter your parents' name exactly as printed in your mark sheet. So we will enter father's name. You have to enter your father's name. You have to enter the full name of your parents. Alright, identity proof के लिए it could be any officially accepted identity proof. Learning driving license is not allowed. Alright, so photo ID आप जो भी ये select करेंगे वो वहाँ पर आपका check होगा. So select that only. So let's select our passport here. Name as per जो आपके identity proof में name लिखा हुआ है, you'll have to select that name itself. So आप full name वही enter करेंगे जो आपके identity proof में है. And then after writing the name according to as it is written in your identity proof, we will be writing the photo ID number. For now, I will be writing 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right. Now here, यहाँ पर if you click yes, right, if you are a differently specially abled a person, you will be clicking yes here. But अगर आप yes click करते हैं तो आपके पास option है that registration fees pay करने से पहले you will be getting a call and they will be asking certain questions. They'll be checking on some information and then you'll have the chance to fill the registration form. So you have an option. For now, we will say no here. Alright, after we have filled in all the details, we'll again just have a glance over it. We'll just check, कुछ रह तो नहीं गया है. Have we completed everything? Yes, we have. Let's move ahead. यहाँ पर दो options है, save and exit का है and skip and next का है. Skip तो करना ही नहीं है. We have to fill in all the information. Save and exit इसलिए नहीं करना है because the information will be saved, but you will be moved out of this page, right? So we have to fill the further information. So we will click next here. So after we have done this, we move to the next page for the further process. यहाँ पर हमारी contact details हैं. So we will fill in the mobile number. Alternate contact number भी mandatory है. So we will fill in the alternate contact number as well. हमारा email ID already ले लिया है because हमारा email ID already ले लिया है because we had already filled it. Or alternate email ID is not mandatory. We will not fill in that. Then we will fill our address. यहाँ पर इंदौर का आप टाइप करेंगे, आपके पास अपने आप इंदौर आ जाएगा. यहाँ पर we have filled in this. We will fill in the address line 1, Tulsi Tower. Address line 2 हमारा mandatory नहीं है. We will fill in the pin code. Please be very careful while you fill in your address. Is your permanent address same as your address for communication? Communication और permanent address अगर same है तो हम yes कर देंगे. अगर नहीं है तो no करेंगे. No करेंगे तो they will give you the option to fill in the other address as well. तो यहाँ पर हम yes करते हैं so that we can move ahead. And now we will move to the next one. Okay, so this was mandatory, which we had not filled in. So we will fill in our alternate contact number. After we have filled in these details, we have to fill in the details for our education qualification. In case you do not find your college or university, the other option pe click kariye. Once you click in the other option, you can write it down there. So we will select our education. कौन सी कंट्री से आपने किया है, so you will fill in that. अगर इंडिया से किया है so you will fill in India, या फिर हम जाएंगे I क्लिक करके हमारे पास इंडिया का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. So let's click in this. Undergraduate university आपकी कौन सी थी? Which university have you appeared from? So for example, if you have appeared from DAVV University, so we will write DAVV, which is a university in Indore. Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya Indore. Undergraduate college आपका कौन सा था? So for example, it was, let's say, any college. Let me fill in this college. All right. Select stream. What was your stream? Was your stream commerce, or were you from the science background or arts background? Accordingly, आपके पास options हैं सारे, आप fill in कर सकते हैं. आपके bachelor degree का नाम क्या था? Was it Bachelor of Commerce? Was it Bachelor of Science or Computer Applications? Accordingly you can fill in that. Specialization आपका क्या था? So specialization जो भी था आप वहाँ पर भी ये फिल कर सकते हैं. इतने सारे स्पेशलाइजेशन है. आई एम जस्ट स्क्रोलिंग डाउन टू लेट यू नो दैट यू हैव वेरियस ऑप्शंस जहाँ पर जो भी आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन है आप फिल इन कर सकते हैं. सिंस बैचलर ऑफ कॉमर्स है मैंने यहाँ पर स्पेशलाइजेशन कॉमर्स फिल कर दिया है. व्हाट वाज योर मोड ऑफ परसुइंग? क्या वो करेस्पॉन्डेंस था, फुल टाइम था, पार्ट टाइम था? व्हाट वाज योर डिस्टेंस लर्निंग था? सो इट वाज फुल टाइम, सो वी हैव फिल्ड इन फुल टाइम. व्हाट वाज योर ग्रेजुएशन स्टेटस? व्हाट इज योर ग्रेजुएशन स्टेटस? इज इट कंप्लीटेड? आर यू स्टिल परसुइंग ग्रेजुएशन? Accordingly you can fill in your details. Obviously each candidate will have different details, तो accordingly आप कर सकते हैं. ग्रेजुएशन डिटेल आप कर सकते हैं. अंडर ग्रेजुएट कौन से ईयर में आपने किया है तो आप वो कर सकते हैं. All right, then marking scheme क्या था आपका? marking scheme, there are different marking schemes which colleges have. तो क्या था? percentage basis पे था, CGPA पे था. CGPA किस पे था? CGPA out of 10 था, CGPA out of 9 था. Accordingly we will fill in. So ये आपको पता है आपका marking scheme क्या था आपके कॉलेज का, यूनिवर्सिटी का, तो accordingly you can fill in. कितने percentage आपको आए थे? So you can fill in your percentage, right? If you've got 80%, if you've got 90%, if you've got 70%, you can fill in that as well. यहाँ पर हमने ये फिल किया है. एक बार ग्लैंस कर लेते हैं. देखिए ये सारी डिटेल्स हमने फिल कर दी है. Okay, so once you fill in these details, right? While you fill in these details, अपने मार्कशीट्स, अपनी डिग्रीज, अपने सर्टिफिकेट्स आप लेकर बैठिए, बिकॉज जरा सी भी उसमें मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए. एग्जैक्टली जैसा है वैसा की वैसा आपको फिगर्स फिल इन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. ऑलराइट, नाउ इफ यू हैव वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, इफ यू हैव वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, सो यस सिलेक्ट करेंगे. यस सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो मैं आपको जस्ट बता देती हूँ दैट यू विल बी लॉट ऑफ options which you'll get. What kind of experience do you have? Were you an employee or an entrepreneur or a self-employed etc. किस सेक्टर में आप थे? पब्लिक सेक्टर में थे, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में थे? अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन सिलेक्ट दैट. आपका टोटल वर्क एक्सपीरियंस कितना है? 1 जुलाई 2024 तक हाउ मेनी ईयर्स हैव यू बीन एक्सपीरियंस? तो नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स वैसे लिखने हैं, ईयर्स एंड मंथ्स. Which kind of industry were you in? I'll just show you the options right now. Right, so ये सारे options आपको दिए हैं. What kind of industry were you working in? You can fill in accordingly, right? And the name of the organization you're working at present, या फिर अभी आप work नहीं कर रहे हैं तो name of the organization which you have worked previously, the last organization which you have worked in, right? तो अगर आप experienced हैं, working थे, तो आप ये experience वाला details fill कर सकते हैं. For now, मैं यहाँ पर I'm filling it no. So if you're not experienced, you can select no. After you have filled in this, you will get these details. तो ये तो हमारी already details filled in है, ये already आ चुकी हैं. Right? Just checking the details. All the details will be checked, and then we can move to the next one. All right. Now after you have filled in these details, we move to the next process, where we have to select the schools, right? Now school preferences में आप 5 school select कर सकते हैं. However, आप 80 school select कर सकते हैं, but first 5 will be free. From the 6th school, you will be charged INR 450. INR 472 with taxes, right? So आप first 5 schools जो है वो prefer कर सकते हैं. So okay, so if I tell you कि कौन कौन से school prefer कर सकते हैं, it would be KG Somaiya. It would be KG Somaiya, NMIMS University. So सबसे पहले हम NMIMS select करेंगे. Then हम यहाँ पर add करेंगे तो हमारा second option आ जाएगा. We will select KG Somaiya. We can add one more and we will select Great Lakes. The fourth one, we will select XIM. So next, and the next we will select SPG. All right, now these are the 5 top institutes for which take the NMIMS course, right? NMATS course. So first 5 आप ये select कर सकते हैं, right? Next अगर आपको 6th select करना है तो again the 6th one, from the 6th one 472 per school will be charged. All right, now this is mandatory to be selected. हालांकि ये school SP Jain वाला नहीं है, SP Jain India वाला नहीं है. This is global, right? And it is compulsory to select this one. Alright, so this is the information. I repeat, choices आपके पास 80 available है. Top 5 आपको select करना है. Top 5 में कोई extra charge नहीं है. From the 6th school which you select, right, you will be charged 472 per school. Alright, after we have filled in this, we would move to the next slide, and the next information which we have here is the general information. How did you come to know about this exam? So wherever you come to know about this exam, for example, I have come to know about this exam from CH Edgemaker. So I would write the name here in the coaching center name. Since I will be appearing for NMAT 2024, so I will be starting my college in July 2025. All right. Now, other exams you're planning to take, so each individual will have different exams to take. So you can fill in, you can check in. यहाँ पर भी आप take कर सकते हैं if you have taken any exams before, right? यहाँ तक clear है? I hope you are with me till now. So after we have filled in these details, then they are asking how are you financing your management program. So whichever way you are planning to have your management program, are you taking bank loans or are you paying from your personal savings, whatever, these are the options. All right, after you have filled in these details, next what they're asking is where would you like to study? Select up to 3 countries. So you can select 1, 2 or 3 countries. I am selecting India for now. Then they ask, are you in any way associated with helping candidates prepare for any management education exam? If you are, you will select yes. If you do not, you will select no. All right, now we'll just check, have we filled in all the details? Yes, we have. So we will move ahead and we will click to next. After we have filled in these details, they are asking us to agree the declaration which they have given. We will say I agree, we will tick in that. और फिर हम जाएंगे हमारे next page. Now, here we basically complete our registration. Registration in the sense we have filled in our details for now, right? Next comes the payment mode. Click on preview to review or edit your form and then submit. So for example, before clicking the submit option later, right, you can have a preview of the form and you can recheck your information because they will not be allowing you to edit any information after you have submitted the form. So please be very, very careful in that. All right, let's preview. So after you have clicked in preview, this form is there on your screen. आपके पास edit का option है. When you check and when you feel that you have to change some information, you have to edit some information, you can do it right now. I repeat, they will not be allowing you to edit the information after you click the submit. So we will just check the information, whether we have filled in correct or not. And after we have checked everything, we will get an option of submitting and making the payment. After you have checked your information, personal information, academic information, etc., now you will have an option of submitting and making the payment. So we will click on submit and make payment. Alright, so this is the fee for the registration form. However, उन्होंने कुछ extra offer किया है. They are offering some official practice exams 2 and 3 for INR 1000. So it's up to you whether you want to buy or not. That would be an additional charge for that. So guys, after you have clicked make payment, you reach on this screen. यहाँ पर आप select कर सकते हैं if you're going through net banking or you're paying through credit cards or debit cards. You can fill in the details and then you can click make payment for this much amount after filling in all the details. Once you have clicked this, you will be getting to the next screen. So our registration form has been submitted successfully. This is it. And now we shall see how to schedule the dates for our exam dates. Let's see that. All right. So now let's understand how to schedule our dates of exams. So यहाँ पर आपने login किया, payment कर दिया, आपके पास thank you का message आ गया है that your registration has been successfully done. Now you go to this dashboard again. When you log in, you go to this dashboard, जहाँ पर आपके पास option आएगा book your slot. See, you have an option of book exam slot. When you click here, you will have the mode. How would you like to take the NMAT exam? So you will be taking at the test center and then you submit it. Once you submit it, however, we remember that we told you in the notification that the exam date slots can be booked from or can be chosen from 5th November to 22nd December, but the NMAT has still not opened all the slots right now. Alright, so let's see which all slots have been opened right now. If you want to select it right now, you may select it right now, or you may wait to select the dates for later exams. Alright, let's proceed further. So read it very properly, check in, and then we see this. Now if you see, we have all these slots open for us, right? Again, I repeat, 5th November से आप book कर सकते थे according to them, according to the instructions given by them, but at present they have opened it from 8th of November right now. So if you see the calendar, if you see the whole schedule, right, these are the dates and these are the slots. So for example, अगर आप 8th November choose कर रहे हैं तो 8th November के 3 slots हैं, you can choose any of these slots. These are the available slots for now. If you move further, these are the slots available for December, correct? That is how you can choose. You can see the date, you can check the dates, you can check the time, and then you can choose your slot. If at all अगर अभी आप स्लॉट बुक नहीं कर रहे हैं, सो आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट आप लॉग इन करें, 2 बार रोज लॉग इन करें अपने आईडी पर यहाँ पर, एंड देन चेक कौन कौन से अवेलेबल स्लॉट्स न्यू आ गए हैं. So if you get your slot, you may choose. However, we will also record one more video where we will be guiding you towards कब करना है, कैसे करना है, कौन सा slot लेना चाहिए, etc. etc. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. Stay tuned.